Innovation. A lot of the time we hear about it coming from people working in a garage, because a lot of the time it does. But what makes garages such reliable sources of innovation? Here's a hint. It's not the grease stains or the ping pong table. It's about what a garage does. It puts everyone involved, design, planning, manufacturing, the entire supply chain, together. It puts everything they need within reach. It makes communication instantaneous. It puts customers close so you can understand what they want and know instantly when they want something else. Most importantly, expertise from every part of the business is naturally captured as soon as they appear, rapidly tested, and quickly either discarded or implemented. Operating at scale makes all of those things more difficult, but there's a way to keep that flexibility, that ease, that spirit. A way for feedback and input to move without friction. A way to capture inspiration, wherever it happens. To quickly test solutions for feasibility and strategic alignment, and be able to move quickly and decisively when it's time. Oracle Cloud opens the floodgates, letting data and insights flow in any direction. Between departments, between devices, between every part of the organization and its customers. With Oracle, whenever and wherever a good idea happens, you're instantly ready to design it, plan it, make it, deliver it, maintain it, and provide services around it, giving you not just a way to win today, but to increase the pace and keep winning every day. So innovation becomes a continuous state, and your garage can stretch across departments, across buildings, across the world. Oracle Cloud, your platform for continuous innovation.